favorite appetizer. They're filet crisps, but I'm using fillets and a New York. Check these out. This is my binder on steaks, always. Salt and pepper. About 900 degrees. We're gonna throw some sliced baguettes in there. 15 seconds. Put some of my melted compound butter on every one of them and throw them right back in for about 10 seconds. Cast iron back in to heat up so we can put the steaks on it. It's ready. We're putting these in. A minute and a half each side, maybe 2 minutes, and we'll be done. The fillets out, we're gonna tent them for about 10 minutes. I spread this boursin cheese, garlic, and herb over every one of these pieces of bread. We're gonna start with the New York. 3 minutes this thing was in. Are you kidding me? Cubby approves. Now the reveal on the fillets, these were 3.5 minutes. Perfect fillets. Now we build them on. I'm gonna go with the New York. Are you kidding me?